I'm glad you liked it.
I wonder why Grace didn't want the cherry.
She's never had one before, her dad said. Your dad.
This is the outside of our car. This is the that's my school stop. Papa.
She raising Cain.
That's the roof. Papa, can you please put that down so I can see the sky?
There you go.
Thank you. And that's the sky. Mom will raise that. Oh, and I want to show you we're moving. Okay, we're moving like I'm going somewhere. I'm going home because I always spend the weekend with my grandpa and grandma. Usually. But look, that's the outside. I'm just holding my tablet. But we are moving in the car. See? Everything going on. It looks like the trees are running away. But they're not. This is the end of our video. Hope you enjoyed. We're just going to show you some really cool things. I zoomed it in so you can see it better. Whoever is watching this video. See? Zoom in nice and study the road if you like to study. Study some cars. Or the traffic lights or something. What's that? Oh, it's a black thing. So you might, and there's a sign that says bump. And that's the end of our video. Bye.